All right, it's Thursday, May 30th. Buying some CrowdStrike 335 puts here at 560. This is on the 15-minute chart that moved strongly lower to start the session. Kind of paused here at a logical pause area and is staying red, and there's targets below. So on the daily chart here, we came down. You can see we took out all these stops here on the very first move of the day, and then that would be an area where you'd want to see if it just kind of takes all this out and starts back up, or is it heading back down into this fair value gap right here, or at least the next target, which is kind of the 330.90 area, which is down kind of here. So, this, if I draw a line at this, the bottom of this whole ledge where all these stops were taken out, you can see it's right kind of here. And once I saw the market come up and kind of hold this area right here and stay red, bought the puts, expecting it to now head lower. On the weekly chart, we have the outside week to the downside, and it can fill in this gap, like I said, that goes down to the maybe upper 320 area in here. And we'll see how we end the week. If we ended, red, then you kind of expect follow through into next week. So as we get to more towards the end of the week, you kind of sense that this bar is closing red. Of course, it's a broadening formation in the short term that could pop back up, but it might have to go 2 down, 2 up first. So there's still room to go on the downside, especially with some targets in play on the daily chart. So wanted to play this momentum to the downside on this one. I see some targets in play if I spread it out down here. Even a bit of a pivot machine gun, but I'm not. We'll see. If it could hit this gap in here in the upper 320s, that'll be a nice trade. If so, then that next target can even be below 320. So good. Looks like a weak start to the day that should follow through lower with some targets below.